Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't said that in so long. As you can see, we got into this video very much rushed. It's currently 10:15 and we are going to the African American Museum in DC. So we have to, our reservation is for 11:15. Our reservation is for 11:15. Please don't mind how actually my face looks. We're about to get into the skincare. Thank you to Good Molecules for sending me some nice products. Very nice of them. First thing I go in with is the eye cream. I've never really used eye cream before. We're gonna see if it makes a difference. And I need something on it. 10:17, and we have to go like now. As y'all can see, I tried a new hair color. It took me like 3 days to finish his hair. Can you imagine 3 days to finish my hair? I probably put too much. We're gonna go in with the hyaluronic acid serum. This stuff is really good. I liked it last time I used it. It was very hydrating. Very hydrating to the skin. It says it delivers deep hydration to plump the appearance of fine lines. So if you want this, shop. Also sent me the niacinamide brightening toner. This is really good too. I didn't use it today. I kind of skipped a step, but it's okay. This is what the hyaluronic acid serum looks like. There we go. And then here's the wake up. Oh, I ate down. And then last but not least, we're going in with the lightweight daily moisturizer. This is really nice and thick, so you don't even need a lot. So go ahead and moisturize his face, and now you guys can see I don't look like an ashy mess anymore. It's like the holy grail. This just keeps your skin very moisturized.
What's up? What's it called? Follow my Instagram. You did.
This edge brush hurts.
Yeah, no cap.
Ouch. Oh my god.
I just was like, you know what? Got to be blue can last me till Saturday.
Yeah.
You want some hand cream?
Kevin.
Yeah, he needs some.
It's okay, just stop it.
I'm not for sure my hair in the side part or the middle part.
What's the date?
Good.
28. Okay. Let's do.
What?
30 has 72 spots.
That's good. We leave right
12
now.
p.m. has 4 spots. 12:30 has 93 spots.
Tell what we do.
What time is it? If we do 11:30, we have to leave right now. Wait, this is what my
It's 10:30 right now.
Shit.
This is.
So how can I cancel this one, bro?
Here's the fit. Pants from Pretty Little Thing. This is actually a dress, also from Pretty Little Thing. But I put it like in a little thing. My hair looks bomb. My hair looks good. But necklace gifted. Hair by me. Earrings also by me. This puffer is from Shein. So I have to go, like literally right now. And I'm gonna go get my makeup stuff. So I will see you guys when I get to the museum. Bye y'all. back from the museum. Vibes was really nice, really good. Outside! We just came back from the museum. We learned a lot about our history, and I suggest everyone come to the African American Museum so you can learn as well. But now,
But like, who said I'm first generation African? I don't have no descendants. Like, literally, my parents are from Africa. So
I'm
like,
part
they're from
Jamaican.
You're not Jamaican, please.
Yes, I am.
Who is Jamaican or your family?
My great.
Yo, nice it, bro.